How are you? It's been a while since we've last met. In today's video, I'm gonna do a what's in my school bag. So let's get to it. First, I wanted to show you this adorable little charm I made. Let me know if you'd like a tutorial on this. And right now, I have 2 pins on it to accessorize my little school bag. This is my school bag. It's a classic Puma bag. I have 4 pockets in this, and here I'm showing the 4 compartments, and it's really organized. So let's get into the first pocket. In the first pocket, I have a makeup bag, a wallet, a little accessory to put on my locker, and an emergency bag. So this is the Snow White drawing that I usually put on my locker. Next is my makeup bag. It's for just tiny little touch-ups. Inside, I have my eyelash curler. I have an 𝕚 lip balm. A lip gloss. A mascara. This is a great mascara. A Nivea lip balm in case I don't want to use my 𝕚 lip balm. A concealer. A tiny little blush that's easy and portable. And last but not least, a cute little midi-sized comb. This is all the stuff inside. Next is my wallet. It has a front pocket and a pocket inside. I bought this from Indigo in case you want me one. And inside I can keep my cards and my money. This is the second compartment of my bag. This has a notebook, a notepad, a geometry kit, and a pencil case. First is my notebook. This I've kept to write down all of my homework so I can finish my work on the due date. Inside, I have a little envelope. It holds these stickers, and they're used to motivate me so that I can study harder and work harder to get great grades. Next is my geometry kit. It's not that special, but it does what it needs to do. Next is my notepad. It's this adorable little notepad. It has this inspirational thing on the back, and you can take out the notes, and it's great. Next is my pencil case. So it has 3 compartments. The first compartment holds all of my pens and pencils. So I have a highlighter, 3 pens, a Sharpie, an extra pencil in case my mechanical pencil doesn't work, and obviously a mechanical pencil and lead. In the second compartment, I have post-it notes. Very cute. I have tape in case some of my work rips, which I hope not, but it's good to have it on hand. And scissors. And lastly, I have a calculator. In the last compartment is where my main stuff is. So my main pencil, an eraser, and a little lead holder. So these are the 3 compartments. As you can see, it stores a lot. The third and the last compartment has some boring stuff. So 4 notebooks, 2 folders, some paper. And that is it. See you in the next video. Bye!